Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps Street View on your phone and on your computer. First of all, on your phone, what you have to do is navigate to the section or navigate to the map or the area you want to see the street view, and then simply select anywhere on the street, long press. And then as you can see, we have a rounded option of a photo. If I select that photo, it will open the street view of this exact page. As you can see, this is me on the 2D map and this is the street view. I can also navigate by selecting the point. As you can see, I'm coming closer to the Eiffel Tower, and this is the Eiffel Tower behind this. If I go here, long press, you can also go full screen by clicking here. Now if you're on your PC, then what you have to do is simply go to google.com/maps, hit enter. Now it will open Google Maps. Now what you can do is browse to the country or the place you want to visit and see through the street view. Simply long press and then street view will pop up. Simply select that, and now you can easily navigate on the street view by clicking with your mouse. If I want to go there, I will click here, and if I want to go back, I will scroll back and I will click with my mouse on the street. And that's simply how you can use Google Maps Street View on your computer and on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.